Okay, today we're going to learn how to make an omelet. I have a nice hot frying pan so that the butter gets kind of bubbly but not brown. And then I beat up 2 eggs. I'm going to put that in there. Should be nice and bubbly. And what you want to do is you want to cook the wet parts. So after it's cooked on the bottom, we're going to push it aside. Teflon pan is key here, so it doesn't stick. Push it aside and let the liquid flow beneath, and that way you're getting more of the egg to cook. Ends up a little wrinkly, but that's okay. So we don't want a big puddle there. When we add our toppings, though, we want it to be a little bit wet so that the toppings will stick and get into the egg. So I'm going to add some cooked bacon, crumbled up bacon. You can also add anything you want here, ham. If you do veggies, I would stir fry the veggies a little bit first so they're mostly cooked. Okay, and so now they're kind of stuck into the egg a little bit, and I'm going to flip it over so that it cooks the other side. And that's really going to thoroughly cook the egg so that you don't have any runny parts that are not cooking. And that happens real quick because there was just a little tiny bit of egg left there. So we're going to cook that back over. And then if you want cheese, and who doesn't want cheese, you're going to add that to half of it. And then just fold it over. And there you go. Perfect omelet. Super easy. Just takes a couple minutes. Happy eating.